Hello my dear children, this is your computer teacher. In computers, today we will start chapter 3, that is formula and functions. Basically this chapter is about MS Excel. So we will see how to use formula and functions in MS Excel. So let's get started. Now let us see how to start Microsoft Excel. First of all, you have to click on the start button. Then type EXCEL Excel and you can see Microsoft Office Excel 2007. Now click on it and you can see this is the window of Microsoft Excel. Here you can see these A, B, C, these are called columns. These vertical lines are called columns and these horizontal lines like 1, 2, 3, these are called rows. Okay. Now you can see these boxes. These rectangular boxes which are made with the intersection of rows and columns, these are called cells. And what is the address or name of the cell? You can see this name of this cell is D6. You can see in the name box D6. In the same way, this is E4. This is B5. Okay, these are the names of the cells and this way we can call them. Okay. Now let us see how to make a worksheet on Excel. Suppose here I am writing 1 and then here 2. Then what is autofill? If we write two numbers, then we have to select both of them, 1, and then using shift and down arrow key, both of them are selected. Now you have to keep your mouse pointer at this dot, at this you can see this dot at the corner, and you have to drag your mouse downwards. You can see all the numbers are automatically coming. So this feature is called autofill feature. Excel automatically fills all the number if we write only two numbers. Okay, in the same way if we write Jan, then it knows Jan, Feb, March. It can automatically fill other things. Okay. So suppose here I am making a sheet of a month and sales. Okay, here I am writing some numbers. Okay, now suppose here we have to get the sum of all these numbers, then what we have to do? We have to use a formula. So what is a formula? Formula is used to get the calculation of some numbers. It always start with equal to sign. So we have to put a equal to sign. Then the names of the cells which we want to use in the formula. So the name of this cell is D3. D3. So D3. Then we have to add it with D4, D5. So we will press plus. Then D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7 plus D8 and then enter. Okay. So this is the sum of all these numbers. This is the formula which we have applied. You can see in the formula bar. This is called the formula bar and it shows you the formula which was applied, and this is the answer after this formula. Okay, so this is the formula and this is the way to write the formula. Using the formula we can get the calculation of anything whatever we like. If we want to do addition, then we can do addition using plus sign. If we want to get the subtraction, we will use minus sign. And for multiplication, as you know, this asterisk sign is used, and for divide we use this sign. Okay, so these are called the operators and these are the D4, D5, these are the cell reference. You can see cell reference, cell name. Okay, so you can see by default there are 3 sheets in MS Excel. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3. We can change the name of the sheet. We have to right click on rename and write the new name. Okay, and we can add more sheets also. We have to click on this and new sheet will be added. So this way we can use MS Excel to make calculation. So children, this much for today. Thank you. Bye bye.